This video is sponsored by Sunlu, more on that later. If you've been 3D printing for some time now, I'm willing to bet you've racked up a couple of empty filament rolls, and I'm also willing to bet that you didn't throw those away because you knew they'd be useful for something in the future. Well, today I'm bringing you the video you've finally been waiting for, the reason that you can tell your significant other that you were right and there was a reason to save these after all. Today I'm going to show you 6 prints that'll finally bring life back to those empty filament spools. And we've got something for everyone here. We've got storage, we've got organization, we've got decorations, we even have something for your cat on this list. Now, of course, in the case of the bamboo spools, you could always just order a refill of filament, but where's the fun in using something for its intended purpose? Or you could be like me and use some of your empty filament spools to hold up Mr. Skelly over here. But I'm guessing it's probably not something that you need your empty filament spools for, and this is a 3D printing channel after all, so let's get on with the 3D prints. Before we get on with the prints, I would like to thank Sunlu for sponsoring today's video. For the longest time, I was using cardboard spool filament, and this wasn't an issue until I got my AMS system for my P1S, and that became a big issue very quickly. I needed to switch to a filament that had a plastic spool. So I went to Amazon and I found Sunlu filament. I ordered some to test it out, and it just so happens that 2 days after I ordered it, they reached out to me and they wanted to send me some of their PLA 2.0 to test out. I haven't had a single tangle like some other brands that I've used. I haven't had a single clogged nozzle, no failed prints due to filament issues. It's been a great experience. The PLA 2.0 has many advantages compared to your standard PLA. It's 10 times stronger than your standard PLA. It's even being compared to ABS. You can also print it at extremely fast speeds, up to 300 millimeters a second. It's environmentally friendly and super easy to post-process if you're into that sort of thing. It's extremely durable, shatter resistant, comes in a load of different colors, and is even coming with a refillable spool. If any of those things I just said sound like something that you need, then go check out the link in the description down below and get some Sunlu in your life. I printed all of these prints on my Bamboo A1 Mini and my Bamboo P1S 3D printer with absolutely no issues. And of course, all of the Maker World files are going to be in that description down below, so you can go give the original creator some love and print these for yourself. For those of us that are new to 3D printing, finishing an entire roll of filament can be an accomplishment, and that's a reason to celebrate and display your trophy proudly. This first print is the Empty Spool Award by 3D Create Something on Bamboo Lab, and it's very simple. It's an award for your accomplishment. It's a very simple thing to print. It took 3.5 hours and 2 plates if you want to do the multicolor version, which I did. All you have to do is glue these pins into place and then attach the sign, put your empty spool on display, and let everybody know how much of a cool guy you are. That last print was more decoration than functional, but this next one is definitely a lot more useful, especially if you're into photography and taking videos. This is the Empty Spool 2 Turntable Kit by Macadev, and it turns your empty spool into, you're never gonna guess, a turntable. This is an easy 47-minute print for the base, as well as a 45-minute print for whatever size diameter spool you have, and they have all sorts of different diameters to fit whatever empty spool that you have. After printing it out, all you need to do is add a 608 bearing to the center, pop it into place, and optionally you can add some paper or some fabric to the top of this to make it a little bit better looking. Now all you gotta do is get whatever item you're trying to take a video or a picture of, slap it on top, give that thing a spin, and you are making professional looking videos in no time. The third print on this list is going to be a very simple one. All it does is combine your 2 spools so that you can create some storage. I don't know about you, but if you've ever looked at an empty filament spool, it looks like the perfect place to store all your little trinkets. And with this print, now you got double-decker trinket storage. Can you believe it? I don't think I have to explain how this one works, but you know what? I might as well. We're going to take our first spool, insert our connector into that spool, grab our second one, put it on top, and we're all done. Now you can store all of your action figures, your collectibles, or maybe your Benchy collection, because I know you have one. On the topic of displays and storing things, our next print takes that little cylinder that's on the inside of the spools and turns it into a container that you can use to store even more trinkets. Maybe trinkets aren't your thing, but you can use this container to store pretty much anything that you want. You even have the options to choose between a magnetic lid or a snapping lid, as well as making it stackable or adding labels to it. This print by the Maker Sphere will take you approximately 1.3 hours to print on your A1 Mini, P1S, X1 Carbon, any bamboo printer that you want. I printed the snapping lid option, and it was a super easy print. It required no supports. I had no issues printing it, and it's again very simple to install, only requiring you to snap some pieces onto that inner cardboard cylinder once you remove those outer wings. And for the snapping version, that is all that you need to do. You're ready to get storing. I think this is a great print. It turns what otherwise would be trash into something that's just a little bit more useful, because who can't use more storage in their life? We've been doing a lot of talk about storage and displaying things, and these are all great things for humans, but where's the love for our feline friends? The 5th print by Nextwell turns your empty bamboo spool into an awesome cat toy. One thing that I really like about this print is that it's reversible. If you turn your spool into a cat toy and you realize, I don't know why I did that. I don't even have a cat. You can take it back out and use it again as a spool. This print took 2.6 hours and just over 100 grams of filament to print on your P1S or A1 series printers. This will require the bigger build plate because it does print in one piece, so unfortunately you won't be able to print this one out on your A1 Mini. All we're gonna do is untwist our empty bamboo spool, throw this in there, obviously a couple of your favorite cat's treats, put the top back on and let them go to town. I may have been the idiot that printed this and doesn't have any cats, but I think I know someone who does. We can test this out. Alright, after that very scientific encounter with those cats, I think it's safe to say that they love it. Or maybe they just love the treats in it. Either way, this is a great way to enrich their lives and give them something to play with. And those of you that do have cats, I encourage you to print this out and actually let me know if your cat likes it or if maybe this is just not it. And finally, our final print is here. Now, it is going to take the longest to print, however, I think is also the most useful one on this list. This is the dual spool extension cord wrap for Sunlu Filament Spools. Now there are a couple different versions of this for whatever empty spool that you have, but I have a lot of Sunlu ones and I also have a lot of extension cords. It only makes sense. This is going to take you 7.8 hours as well as 4 plates to print, and just like the last one, it will require one of the larger build volume Bambu Lab printers, so unfortunately again, not an A1 Mini print. Now this one actually does require some assembly, so I'm going to walk you through it step by step. The original creator of this print actually made a YouTube video about its assembly, so I'm going to highly recommend that you check that video out instead of mine. You know what? We're doing no walkthrough at all, just music. Go check out the original creator. Now you just gotta find some of those pesky extension cords that you have laying around all over your garage with no place to store, wrap them up, put them things on a wall or a shelf, and now you have easy access to an extension cord. It looks so much better, it's a lot cleaner, and you use those empty filament spools that you swear you were gonna use. With all of those prints out of the way, I hope I found at least one way that'll be useful for you to reuse those empty filament spools so that you never have to throw them away again. Reduce, reuse, recycle, save the planet, click subscribe, use less water. I don't know how that one got in there, that was weird. But seriously, I hope this video was useful to you. If you did find it useful, I really would appreciate a like and a subscribe if you're feeling generous. I'm always looking for ways to reuse these things, so if you have some better options, leave them in the comments down below and let me know. I'd love to see it, take a look at it, check it out, maybe even put it in a future video. As always, thank you so much for watching and checking out my videos. We are on the way to 10,000 subscribers and I would appreciate your help, but who am I kidding? You're helping me out by watching this video. What am I asking for? That's ridiculous. If you want to check out some of my other videos, you can check them out in that corner right there, or that corner. I don't really know where I'm going to put it yet. This is videoing me, not editing me. There's a big difference. Also, feel free to check out any of my playlists for the Bambu Labs P1S, A1 Mini, mods for your A1 Mini, mods for your AMS system, all sorts of different cool videos. I'd love if you could check them out, and have a great day.